Good morning, Ellie and class. I visited Mount Macedon Memorial Cross and discovered that it is an ideal excursion spot to support the teaching of humanities. Mount Macedon is approximately 65 kilometres from Melbourne CBD, which would take about an hour to drive to. The original memorial cross was erected to show respect for soldiers who had served in World War I and II. Various acts of God through the 70s and 80s had steadily destroyed the cross, and it was then replaced. A historical and natural society now monitors and cares for the cross and the native plants on its grounds. The grounds offer many displays and signs showing the history of the cross and what it represents. There is vast native plant and wildlife to be studied, and a large picnic area and cafe for lunch. Also, there are many walking tracks surrounding the grounds. When considering the strengths and weaknesses, I found that the strengths of this site were that this site offers multidisciplinary avenues for learning, such as history, conservation, and physical education. The weaknesses I noted were that a few of the areas of the cross and the grounds are not wheelchair accessible or accessible to people who have mobility disabilities. The pathway to the picnic grounds is gravel and there are no accessible toilets. There are stairs at the bottom of the cross, so it can be viewed when you step back, but you wouldn't be able to go right up underneath it. The walking tracks are gravel and narrow. However, if this is not an issue in the class that you are taking, or you as the teacher are willing to take steps to overcome the limitations of the site, I would highly recommend this site as it does offer multiple avenues for learning opportunities, with opportunities to study wildlife and native animals, to stand up on top of the hill and see a massive view of all of the countryside in front of you, which may give the students a grasp for geography, and also to show respect for those who fell during World War I and World War II. A book can be purchased from the cafe at the site, and more info can be found online at topoftherange.net. Thank you for listening, and I hope this information gives you another excursion opportunity to add to your own list.